A very warm good morning to my dear students. After a long break, we are going to start our classes again. So today, I'm here with lesson number 16, Agriculture Types of Crops of Social Studies, Class 4th. It is prepared by me, your Social Studies teacher, Alvina Gill. So, I request you all to open your book, lesson 16, page number 129, theme 5. In this lesson, we are going to study about the different types of agriculture, different types of crops that are grown in India. So let's move on. India is an agrarian country with more than 55% of the population depending directly or indirectly upon agriculture. Agriculture is the principal source of livelihood. Today, India is ranked second worldwide in farm output, means the main on which the population is dependent in our India is agriculture. India is an agrarian country. More than 55% of people or population is directly or indirectly dependent on the agriculture. And it is the principal source of livelihood through which people are living and getting their food and living. So, in all over the world, India is ranked second in farm output. In our country, agriculture is an age-old economic activity which dates back to the Indus Valley civilization era. Means this process of agriculture, this agriculture works is an age-old economic activity. It's not started from now. It is very old, which has been started, I think so, in Indus Valley civilization era. And from that time, it is continuing still. So, moving ahead, agriculture plays an important role in the Indian economy. India's agriculture is composed of many crops, with the foremost food staples being rice and wheat. Means India agriculture plays a very important role in Indian economy. Means mostly whatever the means in economy what is adding is from the agriculture. India's agriculture is composed of many crops. Means in our Indian agriculture it is composed of many crops, and with the foremost food staples are there like rice and wheat. The major crops in India can be divided into four categories. Now, the major crops in India has been divided into four categories. Let's see what are they. They are A. Food grains, example wheat, millets, maize, pulses. B. Cash crops, example cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, and oilseeds. C. Plantation crops, example tea, coffee, coconut, and rubber. Horticulture crops, example fruits and vegetables. So now we have seen the four major types. The crops have been divided: food grains, cash crop, plantation crops, horticulture. Food grains, it consists of maize, pulses, wheats, and all. Cash crops means what by selling it we get the cash. For commercial use we are growing, that is your cotton, jute, sugarcane, tobacco, and all seeds. Plantation crops, that comes in tea, coffee, coconut, and rubber. Horticulture, fruits and vegetables. So, Indian crops can be divided on the basis of seasons. Means on the basis of seasons also our Indian crops can be divided. They are Rabi crops, Kharif crops, and Zaid crops. Moving ahead, food grains. Food grains consist of good crops such as rice, wheat, maize, pulses, etc. Rice is an important food grain in India. Rice cultivation needs fertile or loamy soil. Rice is produced more in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar, Assam, etc. So food grains. Now food grains consist of good crops such as rice, wheat, maize, pulses, etc. Now from this all rice, this is the important food grain in India, and the cultivation of rice needs very fertile and loamy soil. Now and mostly the large cultivation of rice is done in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Bihar and Assam. Now wheat is the second food grain in India. After rice, wheat comes. Wheat is produced in different soils, but it is more fruitful in fertile and luminant. Means we can grow the wheat in different soils, but the more we get in the fertile and loamy soil. Wheat is generally found in Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. And the main states which are producing the wheat are your Punjab, Haryana, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. Moving on to the cash crops. Cash crops are agricultural crops which are grown to be sold in the market. As by the name only we can make an idea that cash crops, the crops which are grown, or we are doing the agriculture crops which are grown to be sold in the market for commercial purpose, means for money we are selling it in the market. They are grown in order to get profit in return, means these crops are grown to get profit in return. Their purpose is commercial. High yielding variety of seeds are used in farming of cash crops. Sugarcane, tobacco, jute and cotton are some of the important cash crops. Means very high yielding variety of seeds are used so that the good crops should be there, or high quality, good amount, so that they can sell it in the market. Now sugarcane, tobacco, jute and cotton are some of the important cash crops. Cash crops are important because they help farmers to earn money to live. Moving on to plantation crops. Plantation crops are those crops which are cultivated on a large scale and have high commercial value. They have great economic value and play a vital role in our Indian economy. Tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, etc. are major plantation crops. These crops helps to conserve the soil and ecosystem. Tea planted in hill slopes protect the land from soil erosion during the rainy season. Now we will understand about the plantation crops. These are the crops which are cultivated on a large scales and have high commercial value. Means for this we get the high amount of price. Okay, so they have the great economic value and play a vital role in the Indian economy. They are very costly crops. By selling we get a huge amount of money. So tea, coffee, coconut, rubber, etc. they are the major plantation crops, and these crops even help to conserve the soil and ecosystem. They are planted on the tea is planted on the hill slopes that protect the land soil from eroding in rainy season. Now moving on to horticulture crops. Fruits and vegetables come under the category of horticulture crops. Now, horticulture crops consist of fruits and vegetables. India is one of the largest producers of fruit and vegetables. Our India is one of the largest producer of the fruits and vegetables. Our country produces nearly 30% of the world's vegetables, means from total world's vegetation, 13% of the producer is our India. Fruits such as orange, mango, grape, banana, guava, pineapple are grown in India. Other than these, even cashew, mushroom, and major vegetable crops such as potato, onion, peas, cauliflower, tomato, brinjal, etc. are also grown in India. So, as we have seen, apple, banana, mango, There are a lot of fruits which are grown in our India. Even other than these, we have the cashew, mushroom, and major vegetable crops such as potato is grown in India, onion is there, peas are there, cauliflower, tomato, brinjal, etc. All these are grown in India. As you can see in the picture also, that cauliflower cultivation has been seen, apple cultivation and seen. So our India is comprises of different types of fruits and vegetables that are grown here, as you are eating daily also at your homes. Okay, so now the next topics we will cover the Indian crops on the basis of season. That next topic we will cover tomorrow in the next video. Till then, please read the lesson once again and try to understand about the different types of crops that are given in the book: cash crop, plantation crops, your food grains. Okay, so that you can understand more clearly. Tomorrow we will come again with a new video of the rest of the topics. Till then, goodbye everyone. Stay safe, stay at home, and please keep studying. Thank you. Read rest of the topic we will discuss in next video. Read the lesson again to understand about different types of crops. Thank you students. Have a nice day.